to end this story about Builderall, who told me that I could stay an affiliate despite me stopping paying my Builderall ambassador account. Now they change, they say no, you cannot. And I ask, okay, well, I want to close the account, please pay me my remaining commissions. And they say, no, because it's less than the threshold. And they say, oh, the minimum threshold is 100 euros. So just wait until your commission balance is over it and you will be paid. But my account, they don't give me any more money because they stop. Even my recurring customers, I don't receive any more commission. So it will never be above 100 euro. So I say, yeah, but wait for what? Because, so please close the account and pay me the remaining dollars and or euros and also Brazilian reals. And they say, no, unfortunately, no exception can be made to this rule. But which rules? The rules that they decided to do. So why they cannot do exceptions? The exception is that I'm closing the account and they don't want to pay me anymore because they don't want me to be an affiliate. So they want to keep the money. So Buildercrap are liars and thieves. And since he has been sold, if you notice, the new ownership has always found ways to steal from the affiliate. And all the news about affiliate have always been bad news. How to steal more from the affiliate, how to reduce commissions, the percentage, the rate of commissions. Everything has been done to betray. They treat affiliate like crap, but they are the crap themselves. So Builderall now has become so bad. It's not the Builderall from before when they say you can build your business, you have 2 levels, 30%. Now, whatever they say is not even this because they take money from your commission also. And eventually, they steal from you at the end. After 6 years that I have been a customer of Builderall, an affiliate, this is how it ends. So Builderall now, I say yes, but me too, I have rules. And from now on, you can expect from me nothing but contempt. And yes, you have given me a job now, is that I will talk true about Builderall. And I will keep on making videos about Builderall. That they are liars and thieves. And their software is crap. They should change the name to Buildercrap because they are not Builderall from the past. Community, trust, made for affiliates, all those things are not right anymore. But they steal from affiliates, but also from customers. Like they have increased the prices, decreased the features. There are so many things to say about Builderall, but of course, when you're an affiliate and the current affiliate cannot say that. Like the bugs in the softwares, the fact that they are stupid. The support is bad, the software is buggy, all those things. You cannot say it when you are an affiliate. You want to promote Builderall. But when you are not an affiliate and then you can be real because you don't expect any more money. They steal the small money that I have left in this account that they should pay to close the relationship, to end it gracefully. They don't want to. So fuck Builderall, and the name should be Buildercrap, really. Bye bye.